So Bitcoin has been booming a lot recently, as you have known that if you are updated in the crypto community, you may have noticed Bitcoin has been booming a lot recently. It has just hit new numbers. There's a lot going on within the crypto market right now. So in this video, we're just going to be going over what's happening and what possibly could be the next target for Bitcoin, and basically what's happening in the crypto market right now. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. And before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also drop a comment down below on what you think, what other content you guys want to see. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video and let's see what's happening. So let's switch over to our screen, and we are now over at our screen. We are on coinmarket.com. So let's just take an overview of what Bitcoin has been looking like. So if we take a look at Bitcoin's current price right now, it is at the time of recording this video at around $56,854, down about 0.28% in the past hour, up around 2.56% in the past 24 hours, and up around 9.06% in the past 7 days. So Bitcoin has been moving strong, and let's just take an overview of what's been happening. So just today it is up around 0.77% as we look, and it had just come up at around 56,700 something. So as we look at the graph, we can see we did go down to around 55.6k, but we did revive all the way, going all the way up to 57.5k. So almost around a $2,000 difference through the lows and highs. And if we look at the 7-day chart, we can see that was our weekly high that we hit right there. If we take a look at what's happening with these charts right now, we can see that this was a flag pattern, a bullish flag pattern that Bitcoin was seeing, and we are officially like broken out from that. As we can see, we have this positive, great positive breakout from that pattern, and we have been up from that pattern. So as you can see from this right here, I think the pattern grew a lot. It's not supposed to be this big, but that's basically what we're seeing right now. And what's happening with this chart right here, if we take a look at this, it's supposed to be around here. So even if we go from here, this is almost a 11% increase in just a matter of a couple days, let's say days or hours. You could say anything but crazy things happening within the price range. This bullish flag has been going a long way, and Bitcoin, if we draw a Fibonacci sequence, if we go back to the daily time period, and if we switch to auto again, and if we can see right here, if we draw a Fibonacci sequence, let me just find that, the Fib sequence right here, the Fibonacci replacement, if we go to the all-time high to the market low, and if we just draw this right here, we can see that Bitcoin has reached this level of resistance right here, which was around the 57.5k range, and most likely it will just tumble around here for a while and possibly have another retracement again, possibly going down to around the 54 something k or that range, before it finally heads up in the upwards direction and breaking through this level of resistance we are currently at, and possibly heading to new all-time highs, breaking the previous all-time high of around $69,000 right here. As you can see right there, our previous all-time high. And we could possibly see this is basically what a market structure should look like. We are going to consolidate here for a while, possibly even a little retracement, and as you can see, we can't just keep going in the positive direction. This is not a realistic movement in a market. So something more realistic would be either consolidation or a retracement before we finally break through this level of resistance and we finally head to the previous highs. Maybe it wouldn't look something straight like this, possibly let me just draw what a realistic illustration could look like. And this is what the market could look like, and not even crossing this all-time high. Before that, we could some see consolidation and then continue the trend. As you can see, that's what basically we have been seeing for the past. This looks very similar to what we have here, and that's how basically the market usually works. This is a realistic explanation, and if I was to talk about unrealistic stuff, we could just say that this market is going crazy, and right now we could just hit the previous all-time highs and break through to new all-time highs. But that's, as we all know, that is not happening, and we should set some realistic explanation that we could actually rely on. So this is somewhat of a prediction of what could happen in the upcoming times, and basically what's happening right now in the price of Bitcoin. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did talk about what's happening with Bitcoin, what patterns it's seeing, and what could possibly be our next move or the next price target for Bitcoin. As we talked about, it's at a certain level of resistance right now, so we are to see some consolidation or possibly even a retracement below our ranges, and then we could head to the previous all-time highs or even make new all-time highs. So we are waiting for that time. So that was about it for this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily live streams on this channel. I talk about any recent price changes, any recent movements, so do make sure to tune in daily. And I also create long form content like this, keeping you guys updated about the crypto market, any news, any recent pumping cryptocurrency. So do make sure to check out my long form content like this as well. So if you did like this video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about these videos, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.